morning to all. My name is Amitafi. I am studying JKG, State and Capital, Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Arunachala Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Vanach, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachala Pradesh, Simla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Tirunelveli, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Assam, Mizoram, Mysore, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh,